Airplanes. They rule the skies. But how do they fly? Is it the shape of the wings that generates lift? Or something more sinister? How does something so heavy defy the laws of gravity? From the twisted mind of Michael Nordstrom comes the truth about airplanes. Jack is a simple man with a simple life until he asks one too many questions. Discover the horrifying secret that they don't want you to know. Mystery, passion, and airplanes that are alive. Discover the truth now on the Epic Tiki YouTube channel.
What do they put in the planes?
It's aerodynamics, dude. Don't worry about it. Come on.